by Meera Shankar. Meera, appreciate your joining us on the show. What's your sense? This seems to be a turnaround at the moment. Either way, whoever wins is going to win by a very narrow margin. How does that, in your view, change America and change America's view of the world and the world's view of America?
Yes, it's down to the wire. Trump has had a last-minute surge in terms of the blitz that he did of rallies, particularly in the battleground states. And while both sides have kept the states which have traditionally been with them, like the Democrats have the East and West Coast states which are more liberal, outward-looking, the Republicans have the southern states and the Midwestern rural states. Those states are largely going with the parties, but the key is now going to be these battleground states of the Midwest, Michigan, Pennsylvania, Wisconsin, and Arizona. Arizona, of course,
Arizona seems to be moving Meera Shankar towards Biden. He seems to be building a lead there. The other three states, a lot of counting remains. So that's why these three states become critical: Michigan, Wisconsin, Pennsylvania. Biden needs to win 2 of them at least.
Yes, in Arizona, you know, the Mexican Hispanic population has gone with Biden. So you can see that he is ahead, and that would be a big win for him if they take Arizona because it was Republican. In the other 3 states, Michigan, Pennsylvania, and Wisconsin, Georgia, Trump is leading. And his leads are quite substantial, though a lot of the early voting and the mail-in ballots remain to be counted. So everybody is saying wait, because trend lines will become clearer once more substantial counting of the early voting has come in.
And also because there is a belief, and I can be corrected by Chris on this, that there is a belief that most of the postal vote need to be won by Biden. The Democrats were much stronger in Craig Kafura. Do you believe that the postal votes in general will favor the Democrats?
That seems to be the case, at least in states that have reported their postal votes out so far. We saw in polls leading up to Election Day that Democrats were much more likely to say that they were planning on voting by mail or in-person early vote, or that they had already done so. And that helped to drive the record early vote turnout in the United States this year, breaking 100 million before we even hit Election Day. I would expect, especially in states like Pennsylvania, that mail vote will have a Biden lean. I would also point out that the vote that's remaining still to be counted in Georgia is almost all from Atlanta and the areas directly surrounding Atlanta, which will again lean heavily Democratic. So the next 6 to 12 hours should tell us quite a bit more about how the election will turn out, given the votes still outstanding.